Hello, so today it's 29th day of April 2024 and today it's Monday. So tomorrow will be the last day of April. So tomorrow is the 30th day of April 2024. So I'm about to release the magic book. So I will ask my friend Daryl. Daryl, are you ready for the magic book?
Yes.
Okay, so we just need to wait for the time. So yeah, I will check the magic book here. Yeah, so I have the magic book.
I want two magic books.
No, it's only one magic book. 8,
3,000
7,
magic.
5, 6. Ayan na! Ala! Ay la, ang daya! Oy, ang daya! 6 seconds pa lang yun.
Wala namang lumabas na beans.
Uy, ang daya!
Ay, meron mo na beans.
Pero ang daya, bakit ganun? 6 seconds pa lang yun eh.